welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, guys? It's the homie Bigg Vic, and we are back in the building with a new video. And today we are checking out my latest creation, the Melodics sample pack. And what I want to do for you guys is I'm gonna run through the samples that I created inside of this new masterpiece, and just let you guys hear what the samples sound like. Of course, I have all the MIDI files, all the stems that you guys can use, so you don't have to use the instruments that I have in these sample packs. You can of course use your own instruments, but basically use the creation of what I put together. So let's go inside here and check it out. Here we have the Melodics sample pack. It drops today. So you guys, there will be a link down below in the description. You guys can go ahead and chop these up, loop them up, do what you want to do with the sample pack. They're 100% royalty free. Do what you please with them. But something I do want to throw in for you guys that do purchase the sample pack, I would love to hear what you create with the sample pack, and I would love to share that beat that you created. If you would like me to share that on the channel, so that's an extra bonus for you guys. Grab the sample pack, cook up some fire with it, let me hear it. I want to share it with the people. I want to let the people hear the heat that you came up with from the new Bigg Vic Melodics sample pack. All right, so let's get right into this video, y'all. So I'm just gonna go through them right here. As you can see, I have some sounds. I have the sounds. Everything is in wave format. I have the sounds in here, the instruments that I used, along with the MIDI file. So you can drag this MIDI file onto your DAW, any DAW. This works for whatever DAW you currently use, doesn't matter. Studio One, 5, 4, Reason, any of these DAWs, this works for. So let's play this first one. So that's one. Let's go to the next one. Sample 14. So as you can see, I also have what key that it was created in. So you have the key as well as the beats per minute, the actual beat per minute that I created the sample in. All right, so I think that would be definitely useful for you. Or you can, of course, you can slow it down once you put the track together, have whatever tempo you want. But if you want to keep the same tempo and the flow and the feel of it, you can keep it at the tempo that I have, listed for the sample. All right, so let's go to the next sample. I like that. Let me hear that one again. As you can see, I have the sounds for each. All the stems are here. All right, so any of the drums that I have inside of here that are for the demo, for each sample, when you hear the mixed down version, if it has drums on it, those drums are definitely not included in the sample pack. So you can, of course you would want to add your own drums to it. I think just one sample in here, I have like an 808 in that particular sample that is included in here. So that would be, that would be in here. All right, let's go to the next one. Sample 12. All right, next one. Next one, sample 10. Next one. All right, next one. Next one. Let me close these out. Perfect for R&B trap vibes. Like that's perfect for that. Let's go to the next one. Next one. So that's the one with the drums that's not included with the sample pack, but all the other instruments are here, as well as the MIDI file. It's in here. All right, so next one is, let's stop that. Next one. Like that vibe. Next one. Next joint. All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to go through one of these and we're just going to cook something up with it. Let me see which one. I'm going to go with this one. So I'm just going to drag the samples. I'm not even going to use the MIDI file. I'm just going to drag the samples onto here. Oh. First, let's go to the right tempo. Tempo 126. So let's change that. Let's go to 126. Drag these samples on here. Just whip up something real quick like. So I'm gonna just grab some loops real quick, some drums. So let's pull up ADSR sample manager. Boom, 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 boom. Where you at? Let's go ahead, just grab something really quickly. And if I want to use the MIDI file, I can use the MIDI file to change up the entire flow, all the instruments for this beat. Let's go find a loop. Dun, 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 dun. Let's drag that in real quick. Just real quick like. Let's see what we got. So that's playing too fast. Let's go to the one that's actually. Hold up. Let's see if this is the one. All right, so we could do something like that. Or of course, if I wanted to go ahead and change up the entire wave of how that feels, I can go into the Melodics sample pack and just look at sample 13, drag the MIDI file down, and booyah. We can change up all these instruments right here. As you can see, it just pulled up some template instruments here. So let's just listen to this first one. This is random. Let's play the beat, the drums rather. So we wanted to come in here, let's find electric piano. course, a little mixing. And let me see which instrument this was. So as you can see, you can go up here and add your own instruments. I kind of use some weak instruments right there for that demo. Of course, none of that stuff is mixed. I would definitely wouldn't be using those those basic preset instruments that come inside of Reason. Of course, there's a plethora of other instruments that I could use for that beat. But you guys get the gist of it. You guys are familiar with sample packs. You guys know that you can manipulate, chop up, bounce down, reverse, just do so many different things with these samples pack, with this sample pack, with other sample packs, of course. So this is the new Melodics sample pack by the homie Bigg Vic. If you guys do get the sample pack, like I said, I would definitely love to hear what you create, what you come up with, so that I can drop those tracks on the channel. Just shoot it to me, and I will definitely shout your name out, play the track, or a snippet of the track that you created using the Melodic sample pack. You feel me? So I think that's dope. I think that's a good look. And it's another way to get some more eyeballs on your production through the channel. All right. It's the homie Bigg Vic, man. We back. I got some more cook-ups on the way for y'all. Stay tuned. Enjoy the sample pack. Thank you guys in advance for sticking with me. Thank you guys for subscribing, being subscribed, and tuning in to the homie Bigg Vic. All right. It's your man Bigg Vic, man. Always hustle. Never stop growing, and I will see you guys in that next video. Peace.